by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At this time, an ongoing national and possibly global emergency is taking place. At approximately 11:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, multiple reports have came in that the moon has unexpectedly turned into a reddish blood moon. It is currently unknown as to how the moon changed colors. In addition, it has been reported that any living organism that comes into contact with the moonlight turns into a creature that looks like a werewolf. However, this is no ordinary werewolf, as the werewolf has been described as the following: 10 feet tall, red eyes, black fur, extreme speed and strength, is attracted to loud noises and howls. It has been reported that a werewolf will brutally murder any human it sees. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and immediate action needs to be taken. At this time, all residents of the United States, no matter where you live, are advised to immediately seek an underground shelter. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, toiletries, cell phones, phone chargers, batteries, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio that can last for the duration of this emergency. In addition, take any weapon or firearm with you in case a werewolf comes into your shelter. Do not go outside for any reason, as doing so will increase your chances of you coming into contact with the moonlight or a werewolf spotting you. If a werewolf comes into your shelter, try your best to kill it by cutting or shooting its head. This is the only way a werewolf can be killed. You are advised to do this as quiet as possible so you will have a lower chance of attracting a werewolf to your location. If you spot a werewolf, run to the opposite direction immediately and hide. My fellow Americans, this was completely unexpected to occur. The United States was very unprepared to face an event like the one we are experiencing at this time. Please try your best to survive by following the instructions you were told a few moments ago. Once these wary wolves are murdered, and the moon turns back into its original color and shows no sign of harm, we will rebuild the areas that were destroyed, and we will